Have you ever wondered what actually triggers puberty? It doesn't start in the body. It starts in the brain. Sometime around the ages of 8 to 13, a tiny part of the brain called the hypothalamus acts like a biological alarm clock. It's been asleep your whole childhood, but suddenly, it rings. When this alarm goes off, the brain sends a signal to another tiny gland nearby, telling it to release special chemical messengers into the bloodstream. Think of these messengers as a text message to the rest of the body saying, "It's time to grow up." This is the official starting line of puberty. These chemical messengers travel straight down to the ovaries. Before puberty, the ovaries are just resting. But once they get that signal from the brain, they wake up and start producing two major hormones: estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen is the main director of female puberty. It's the hormone responsible for all the major physical changes you can see on the outside, like growing taller. But internally, estrogen is doing heavy lifting. It tells the body to start maturing the reproductive system. It's a completely natural, built-in program that prepares the body for adulthood. One of the biggest internal changes is the start of the menstrual cycle. But what is actually happening inside? Once a month, the body creates a soft, nutrient-rich lining inside the uterus. It's basically building a cozy, protective little nest. At the same time, the ovaries release a tiny egg. If that egg just passes through, the body realizes, "Oh, we don't need this cozy nest right now." So, the uterus gently sheds that lining. It's just the body doing a routine, monthly cleanup to stay healthy. In the beginning, this cycle can be highly irregular, and that is completely normal while the body figures out its new rhythm. Now, let's talk about the part that is often the most confusing: the emotions. If you feel like your moods are on a roller coaster, you are not imagining it. There is real science behind it. During puberty, the brain is undergoing a massive rewiring process. The part of the brain that handles intense emotions, the amygdala, develops very quickly. But the part of the brain that handles logic and impulse control, the prefrontal cortex, takes much longer to finish building. Because of this gap, plus the massive waves of hormones running through the body, everything simply feels bigger. A minor annoyance can feel like a disaster. A happy moment can feel euphoric. You might feel totally confident one minute, and like you want to cry the next. Your brain is literally learning how to process adult emotions with a system that is still under construction. Puberty is an incredible, complex process. Your body is doing an enormous amount of work building new systems, rewiring the brain, and managing brand new chemicals. Because it's working so hard internally, it's incredibly common to feel tired, hungry, or just overwhelmed. The most important thing you can do during this time is to give yourself some grace. Get plenty of sleep, eat food that fuels your energy, and remember that every single adult you see today went through this exact same process. It takes time, but your body and your mind will balance out.